Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the EasyAntiCheat Not Installed error when your game will not launch. First, open the launcher where your game is installed. This could be Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or another supported launcher. After it opens, go to your game library and find the game that is showing the error. Next, right-click on the game and choose Properties. In some launchers, you may see Manage instead of Properties, so open that menu if needed. After that, look for the Installed Files section. Inside this menu, click the option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. The launcher will now compare your installed files with the official versions and automatically download anything that is missing or corrupted. Keep in mind that this process may take several minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your storage drive. Do not close the launcher while the scan is running. Once the verification is complete, restart the launcher if needed, then launch the game again. Thanks for watching.